We don't look alike, do we, dear?
Okay.
No.
You ready?
We're ready. Great. I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. We're doing a wonderful, fun day today. And my son Justin is down here with us today and going to help us. What we're doing today is Drunken, Brats, and Kraut. And we'll explain later why it's called that. Our first thing is what we're going to do. It's made with homemade sauerkraut right here. And I'm going to pour this in first, which is kind of a trick. And we don't drain this because you want some of these wonderful juices. There we go. Of course, it's not cooperating, but it'll get out of here. Okay, we put that in. And what we're doing today is a little bit different. Okay, there's our sauerkraut. And what I've done here is about a half of an onion minced, 8 to 10 slices of bacon, and freshly sliced mushrooms.
About a cup and a half of mushrooms.
About a cup and a half of the mushrooms. Yeah, Justin can help me with the measurements of these things here. And because of the seasoning of all of this and the brats, we're only going to put about a teaspoon of black cracked pepper. I'll put that in there. And stir this well. Okay, now here comes the fun part. You want some of the beer already.
After the beer, that's all I'm down here for.
You're just here to drink the beer. And
That's the drunken part.
The drunken part. See, and this is wonderful beer that they make in Butte, Montana. It's called, oh, I guess it's not made in Butte, Montana. It is called Black Porter. Black Butte Porter. And we're going to pour this over it. And you don't want to...
Not too much, though. You got to make sure we have some for the cooks left in there.
Oh, that's right. We got to sample this. This is where the fun part comes in. We like to use a darker beer because it really helps to enhance with the flavor. All right. And you don't need to stir that at all. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it out in our Dutch oven cooking area that we've got prepared. Cook it for about an hour and a half. And here's to our wonderful dinner that'll be done soon. Oh my.
That is some good porter.
Very good porter. I'm not a beer drinker, but that's excellent. And no, you're not drinking the rest of my beer.
Well, thank you. And we will see you out there at the campfire.
All right, we're out here, and of course the wind has come up. That's pretty normal in Wyoming. It's always a challenge. What I'm going to do here is put some of these nice coals on top. Of course, what we'll do is keep adding these. Of course, when the wind's blowing, they burn down even faster. Yeah, this could be a trick. Okay, that's good for now, and we'll keep adding more later. And we'll check this in about a half hour and see how we're cooking, and we'll keep checking it, and it should be done in about an hour and a half. Please remember to subscribe, push the like button, and we'd love some feedback.
And for those who don't know what the like button is, thumbs up.
And thank you, Justin, for helping me. Of course, we're all going to eat this later. Thank you. All right, we're out here toasting the buns. Our dinner got ready, so now we're going to toast steak buns, which I've already buttered these ahead of time, and they just really brown nice when you do it this way. You just have to keep an eye on them. That's why I have Justin here helping me. Because if they get burned, it's his fault.
Yeah, if Dad was watching, you'd be keeping an eye on the wrong buns.
Oh, Justin. Let's see.
Okay.
It was a joke. There we go. We have a fair amount of heat going on here, as you can see. All right, it took about a couple hours, but it got done, and oh my goodness, does it smell wonderful. And either you can put your sauerkraut on top of your bun, but as you can see, we toasted our buns. They turned out absolutely beautiful. And what we're going to do is put one right on top here. And what we like to do, we let this simmer for about a couple hours. It just really enhances the flavors. We're just going to put it on the side here. What do you think, Justin? Doesn't this look wonderful?
It looks wonderful, yes, very good.
There you go. Of course, we're going to have a little bit more of our wonderful stout here, our dark Black Butte lager. We hope everybody enjoys this. Please subscribe, leave a comment, hit the like button. And here's a toast to all of our friends and viewers. I get the frosted glass. We hope everybody enjoys this with us today. We certainly did, and we can't wait to eat it.
And remember to, when you're viewing the video, just watch the whole thing through, click like and subscribe, and write any comments. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, what do you think? Good beer, good food, and good friends. And thanks to all of our viewers.